Hello YouTube, I just wanted to show you a little repair for the Maytag Cenntennial washing machine. I've got it tipped over right now. And what I did is I pulled out the motor. Here's the motor here. Now, a lot of people with this washer had complained about it making a grinding noise or just a really loud noise when it's agitating the basket. For a lot of people, I've read that they found the problem was this guard that goes over the belt wheel there, and what happened was the belt had slid down and was rubbing against this guard. That didn't turn out to be the problem for me, but it was clear of the guard, but it was still making the grinding noise. So I went ahead and pulled out the motor here, and I did that by first just removing the belt and then unbolting the motor, which sits right here next to that. I'll show you when I put it back in. Then I unplugged it, and what I found was that there's a fan on top of the motor to cool the motor, and it was rubbing against the housing, the motor housing, top of the housing up there. So what I did is, this is just a simple plastic fan which is pressed onto a spindle. And so all I did to fix that was I stood the motor up, being careful not to rest it on the wheel so I don't damage that. And I just gave it a few taps with a hammer. Just a couple of taps. Just to push that fan down a little bit lower down on the spindle. And as you can see, still clears the motor, no problem. And hopefully that should work. I'll put that back in there and we'll see. Okay, I've got the motor back in there. It was really simple to get it in. I just plugged it in here. There's a little clip. Put in the bolts. There's 2 bolts. Tighten them down really good. Now we'll put the bolt on and then we'll set it upright and turn it on and see if it sounds better. Okay, so as you can hear, the washer's making its normal sound now. I think our repair worked. Just wanted to share that with you guys because a lot of people said, oh, this washer's a piece because it makes this loud noise. And it's not a bad washer, you know. I got a deal on it, probably because it's been returned a lot of times. But if you're a little bit handy, it's usually a simple fix.